Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Tuesday, July the 14th, 2020. Yes, the fourth Sudoku is a binary Sudoku. What kind of binary Sudoku is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Then I think I need to compare something. Yes. Yes. This row and the last row. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. Oh, I missed the empty box. Empty box 1. Empty box 1 1. Empty box 0 0. Yes, I need to switch these two numbers, 0 and a 1. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. I need to compare again. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Alright, now I can compare. Yes. The second row and this row. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 empty box 1 1. So I need to the O should be an 1. This one should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Yes, correct. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku 8 tectonic, aka Suguru in Japanese. So see you later or see you soon. Bye bye for now.